Hi guys, I'm back with another recipe, and today we're making a famous Korean dish. It's called Japchae. It's a Korean noodles that's very popular in Korea. And to start with, I have some sweet potato noodles. Without this, guys, there's no japchae. So this is the key ingredient. As well, we have some sliced beef ribeye. I'm gonna slice half of it and put it on my japchae, and the other half I'm gonna make into bulgogi. The next one, we have some soy sauce, sesame oil, black pepper, sugar, onion, baby spinach, mushrooms, and then I'm gonna beat some eggs and put it on top of the japchae, and it's like a scrambled egg. Okay, so let's get cooking. Okay, first things first, we're gonna soften our sweet potato noodles by adding a few cups of boiling water for around 5 to 7 minutes. And then after that, we'll rinse it with cold water. Okay guys, so while we're waiting for our noodles to soften, I'm just gonna slice our mushrooms. And then I'm gonna put a few tablespoons of soy sauce, maybe a teaspoon of sugar, and some sesame oil, maybe a teaspoon as well, and pepper. And then we're gonna mix them well, and this is the marinade that we're gonna use for our onions, for our beef, spinach, and our mushrooms. So we'll mix them well. Okay, so we're gonna mix all together our marinade that we made and our mushroom. We're gonna set this aside, and then next we're gonna do the same marinade with our spinach. So a few tablespoons of soy sauce, sesame oil, sugar, and pepper. And then we'll mix it again well, and then we'll add our spinach. We'll put all our spinach. Okay, same goes with our meat. Remember, these are the sliced beef ribeye. I'm gonna slice it thinly. Okay, same marinade, soy sauce, sesame oil, sugar, and pepper. Mix them well, and then the last thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna marinate our onion with the same marinade. Okay, I'm just gonna add a few drops of sesame oil, and then I'm gonna saute one by one our marinated veggies. So I'm gonna start with our marinated mushrooms. Just saute them for a few minutes, like 3 minutes. Okay, gonna transfer it again into our plate. We're not even gonna clean this plate, guys, because the flavors are all here. So another teaspoon of our oil or sesame oil, and then I'm gonna add our marinated onions. Gonna cook it as well for around 3 minutes. Okay, this didn't take long since, as you know, these are thinly sliced beef ribeye. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm just gonna cook our eggs. So these are our beaten eggs. We're gonna make some scrambled eggs to put on top of our japchae. Okay, so this is the best part, guys. We're gonna mix everything very well. So I'm gonna add again a little or a lot of sesame oil. Still a few tablespoons of soy sauce. Tablespoon of sugar. And some pepper. We're gonna mix this well, and then we're gonna add in our softened sweet potato noodles. Here you go, guys. So let's add our spinach together with the marinade. We're also gonna add in our beef that's been cooked. Onions. See, I told you this is fun. We'll just dump everything together. And last but not least are the mushrooms. So we'll just mix them all together, and then later on I'm gonna put this in a serving platter, and we're gonna top it with our sliced eggs. Okay, so I just added the rest of my spinach because I have nothing else to do with it. But there you go, guys. I'm just gonna plate this japchae. So this is a very yummy dish with all the vegetables. Obviously, you could put carrots as well, bell pepper. So, attention na guys, it's so heavy. Anyways, yes, there you go, guys. I'm just gonna jazz it up with my eggs that I made. And I'm gonna add some sesame seeds on top. So here are the sesame seeds. And then these are the eggs, or this is the egg that I made. I'm just gonna cut it into small pieces. Okay. And then I'm just gonna pour it or place it on top of my japchae. There you go, guys. This is my version of japchae. I hope you give this a try, and please let me know what you think. Thank you.